In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay with a credit card using PayPal, a useful skill for anyone shopping online securely and efficiently. First, open your web browser and navigate to PayPal's website. On the homepage, locate the login button in the top right corner and click it. Enter your registered email address and password carefully, then click the login button to access your account dashboard. The dashboard is your central hub for managing payments, transfers, and linked financial accounts. From the dashboard, navigate to the Pay and Get Paid section and click on it. Next, go to Wallet, where you manage all linked cards and bank accounts. In Wallet, click on Banks and Cards. To link your credit card, select Link a Card. Enter your card number, expiration date, security code, and billing information accurately. Double-check these details to prevent errors, then click Link Card. Your credit card is now connected to PayPal, allowing seamless payments online. To make a purchase, visit an online store like eBay, select the item you wish to buy, and click Buy It Now. Choose PayPal as your payment method, then select Pay with PayPal. Log in if prompted and carefully review the payment details. Ensure the correct card is selected and the amount matches your purchase. Click Pay Now to authorize the transaction. You will be redirected back to the store once the payment is confirmed. Paying with a credit card via PayPal not only simplifies online purchases, but also adds a layer of security, as your card information is not directly shared with sellers. This method protects your financial data and allows easy management of multiple cards within your PayPal account. Additionally, PayPal may offer instant notifications for transactions, helping you track spending in real time. Using a credit card with PayPal is fast, secure, and convenient for both one-time and recurring purchases. And that's it. You've successfully paid with your credit card through PayPal. This process ensures safe online transactions and gives you confidence when shopping or sending payments. Keep your account secure by using strong passwords and enabling two-factor authentication. Thank you for watching and happy online shopping.